pond work today. I dammed this little section off and dug that little hole to keep sediment from going down here into this lower pond. And several years ago, and I didn't cut a keyway in it or anything, just kind of filled across this ditch where it's been leaking and stuff pretty bad. So we're supposed to have a few dry days. I thought I'd dig it out and try to cut a keyway across there with my loader bucket as best as possible. I wish I had my backhoe fixed, but I don't. So I went ahead and cut this out a few minutes ago. Didn't take long. And then I'm going to scoop that muck out right there, cut the keyway in, and then start layering the dirt back in, packing it good, and see how that goes, and hopefully not get stuck. I want you to look what I crawdad right here. I'm gonna move that thing, relocate him down here. Y'all are missing out by not being able to smell that. Delicious. Well, that was interesting. I think I accomplished what I was wanting, with the exception of right here. I got a little bit of roots and organic matter I need to get scooped out there, and then we'll start packing dirt in. Uh-oh, we hit a big 4-inch gas line here. No, that's just a drain pipe. Well, what I'm gonna try to do now is get Clayton in here with the BX and pack his center down, and then we'll just keep adding dirt to it and coming on up, packing in layers at a time. Try and get a little bit of this drier dirt to mix in with that wet stuff. Well, we're getting her packed in there. Hopefully it'll help. I'll put a scoop of this drier dirt in there, and then I mix it with a scoop of the what come out of it. Put a thin layer in, pack it, rinse and repeat. We're getting there. It got dark on us last night. I didn't video a lot, but it's filling up quite a bit with water, and as of right now there's not anything coming out down here. So I think we got it sealed off for now. What I'm gonna try to do is get the top of this dam dressed up some, and we got some rocks right in here in the middle. I'm gonna try to have it the low point for the water to run through as an overflow is the plan. Looking pretty good now. Need a couple more, don't we? All right, I believe we got it pretty good. Well, I wished I had a transit to where I could check my dam a little better, but it's close. If anything, it's low on this side, which we may have to work on a little later. But hopefully it'll overflow through them rocks right over there. I don't believe it'll go out that side. I know that side's high. This is probably the lowest spot over here. So we'll just have to watch it and see what it does. And work on that later. Getting about dark on us. Don't have any time after we get home in the evenings. We got a drain pipe comes out right here. That comes from behind the shop around. That's what was giving me trouble yesterday, trying to get back up out of here. Partially, I was spinning on the edge of that pipe, and that's why I couldn't slope it off. I'd have to take that pipe all the way out to have sloped it more. And we got some big rocks and stuff down in here to hold it when it washes, and the boys are over there gathering up some more out of the woods. Get them layered in there. And now if you look at it from down here, it looks like that probably is the lowest point. We'll find out. But anyways, there's no water coming through down here. That's the main thing. That's what I was worried about. And this right here will catch anything, dirt and stuff, from washing on through. I believe she'll be in good shape this time. But if y'all will, please like and subscribe, and we'll comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.